Let's make this easy scrambled eggs recipe. Firstly, we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Once the oil has heated, we'll add an onion that is chopped finely. Saute the onions till they turn translucent. This recipe requires just 4 ingredients excluding oil and can be prepared within 5 minutes. Once the onions have changed color, crack 2 eggs into the pan. Make sure to keep the heat on a low throughout. Eggs are delicate and they will burn easily. It's also better to use a non-stick pan and silicone spatula for the recipe as it prevents the sticking of the eggs to the vessel. Now break the yolk and let the base become a little firm. Once that's done, gently flip and mix. While mixing, break the bigger pieces into smaller pieces. But if you want to have just the scrambled eggs, then it's better to have the bigger pieces. I'm going to have it with roti, hence I prefer the former. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Continue frying on a low flame. This will take around 2 minutes. You can have the scrambled eggs with chapati, bread as a side or just have it plain. When you're hurrying up and don't have time to prepare breakfast, this recipe will be the best for you. Also, make sure to check out my videos. I've uploaded easy, delicious and healthy recipes that you'll surely be interested in. And in order to stay updated, click on the bell icon. Transfer your scrambled eggs to a plate. And your tasty and healthy dish is now ready to be served. Enjoy!